Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to change the wallpaper on an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually, anything running iOS 14 should be pretty much the same, but this is what it looks like on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which just came out. So you want to go to the settings menu, which is the gear. Here's the default position. You might have to hunt to find it. So click on this guy and look for wallpaper. So actually we get to choose two things. One is the lock screen, the other one is the actual home screen background. So you also have a choice here to dark appearance dims wallpaper. So I guess if you're in night mode or whatever, you can actually dim it to make it less bright. But this is a preview of what it looks like, and you can actually adjust it for each of those two things. But before we do that, we want to actually choose the wallpaper. So you have some defaults here. You have dynamic, stills, and live. So what are these things? So dynamic is actually kind of it's basically like an animation, and these things will just kind of move, and it's actually like not a photo, it's just like geometry that's calculated, and it moves over time. So you can see these things change in position and relative brightness, and so there's not much you can do on this. You can basically just set it. So let's set that guy, and you can choose what you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. Let's do this one for the lock screen, and it's set. So now if I lock the phone and turn it back on, you can see that it's a different version of that same design. So every time I turn it on and off, basically the dots show up somewhere else. So that's how that one looks, and then you can choose different colors or combinations of colors. So that's the dynamic. Okay, so now let's take a look at stills, and this is basically a bunch of defaults, and you can see that they have this kind of little icon on here on some of them, and some of them don't. So yeah, let's pick this guy. And you have the choice of turning on or off perspective zoom. So what is perspective zoom? Perspective zoom is like, as you can see, like here's where the edge is. If I were to turn this a little bit, like the part on the edge kind of shifts. So what that's doing is it's simulating as if there was like a piece of glass here and the image was further back. So as you're shifting, they sort of change in relative position. I don't know if that explanation is very clear, but that's basically what it does. It gives some perspective, hence the name. So you can choose those ones. Let's see, these ones are not very attractive, I think. You can also turn on and off perspective zoom there. And next up we have live. So if you just click on this guy, you can choose different colors. These actually correspond to the different colors of the iPhone. So as you see on the box, this is like the blue one. So let's pick that one, matches the phone. And press on screen to see this wallpaper animate. So these are actually animated. They're not like dynamic. I think they're just animations that are stored. But basically, it's kind of like Touch ID. If you're pushing on it, it will react. And here you can choose a couple things. Live on and off. That's basically the pushing on and off, or the perspective. So if the perspective is on, it doesn't animate. So yeah, let's turn that one off and turn this one back on. So actually, as you can guess, any live photo can be chosen. So anyway, let's set this one. And last but not least, before we go, let's look at this. So you can actually pick from your photo album as well, your photo roll. So this is a photo we took earlier. And same thing, if I push on this, it's actually the live photo. So for example, if it was like your kid and they're smiling in the photo and you pushed it, you might see them actually like the 1 second before and 1 second after they smiled part of the live photo. So yeah, you can actually see they give you live photos as a choice here. Okay, so here you can see the home screen. In this case, the live photo doesn't work if I push on it, because now in iOS 14 at least, if I just hold down on the screen, it automatically goes to this edit the layout mode or whatever it is. It used to be that you'd have to actually press on the icon and then it would sort of start jiggling so you could move it, but now it apparently works anywhere, which is kind of annoying. So maybe there's a way to turn that off. But anyway, let's go to the lock screen instead. So here you can see in the lock screen, there's actually something really weird going on. I've noticed that when you just wake the phone up and it's like flat on the table here, it doesn't seem to want to animate. The live mode isn't working. I can, pull up the notifications and whatnot. I can, in this case, there's no lock, so it basically will just slide open, but it doesn't want to animate from just touching it. But if I were to lift this up and I think if it sees my face, now it works. So yeah, that's really strange. I guess it doesn't want to like activate in your pocket, so it waits until it knows that you're looking or something. But it's very strange because, you know, the screen's on, maybe it doesn't see me, but I want to see it, but it doesn't work. But if it up here and now it can see my face, it works. Very strange. So anyway, I don't know if that's a bug or that's on purpose, but that is how it works on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So anyway, that's how to adjust the wallpaper, and that's the kind of secret of the live wallpaper as well. So see you guys next time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Okay, bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.